We, as medical staff, want to leave, but we cannot. We might not survive until the morning.
Arabic for healing.
We might not survive till the morning. We don't want to be killed here. Just only because we remain committed to our patients and our medical profession. I am calling for help urgently. Please do whatever you can through your government or the international, the ICRC, the Red Cross, to arrange a safe corridor for the medical staff. Please treat this as top urgent. This is the director of the major trauma hospital in Gaza.
Ceasefire now! 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 Ceasefire now!
स्टार न्यूज, जियो पाकिस्तान के लिए।